Hello there guys, so welcome to the last video that I will be making for this chicken smoothie series. So I've gathered all of the people who entered through Chicken Smoothie and the people who've entered through YouTube. I've put all the names together, and now I'm going to use this random picker machine thing to pick each winner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from 5th place down to 1st place. So the 5th place winner is Clickbait. So Clickbait, you are 5th place. You are the 5th place winner. Congratulations. Alright, and now this is going to be the 4th place winner. LPS Girl. I didn't put the rest of your numbers in there. LPS Girl 123, you are 4th place winner. 4th place winner. Okay. Now the 3rd place winner is Silent Snake. The 2nd place winner is not Clickbait, because I guess this does names over again. Alright, so the 2nd place winner is Ayana123. Congratulations. Alright, and then this is the 1st place winner. I've already done this one. Yay! Congratulations to Junk Food Person 45. You are the 1st place winner. So I'll go ahead and do some gameplay so that you guys can enjoy this last video. Congratulations to all the winners. Yeah, I will be sending your trades off as soon as I end this video. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and... Well, actually, you know what? Yeah, I'll wait until this video is uploaded, which is going to be later today. And then I'll send out the trades so that people don't know who the winner is before I actually post it. But yeah, thank you for participating, all of you. I'm going to go ahead and start playing. Yeah, we'll go ahead and bump my trade thread. The summer event's about to start, so that should be interesting. This pet is on their way to the summer event. If they get lost, make sure you pick them up along the way. So, I don't know if that's like a sneak peek of what we're going to be seeing. I really don't know, because this takes you to the link that says, like, guess what we're doing. So, I don't know. Ooh, let's see what these people. That's a lot of bets. Maybe. I really have no goal right now. Maybe we just wait for other people to send trades, and then, oh, you know what? I'm going to look at some people's chicken dollar stores. See if I can find anything, like any good deals. So I like to check Lemon out, because they always have, whoa, it's a lot of free rares. Okay, a lot of them are rats. I like to pay for, like, I don't know, bulk pets. Okay, I'm gonna check out Horses Rule, because they have a chicken dollar store as well. They actually have a list chicken dollar store. Oh, I have a trade. Let's check out their, yeah. So they have these guys for chicken dollars. Oh, I guess that's kind of good. I think I'm gonna buy these guys. It's a lot of horses and ponies. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy these guys. Could I buy these guys? Smiley face. Cool, cool. Thank you. Oops. Yep. Cool, cool. Alright. Maybe, I don't know. Chicken dollar shop. Okay, these people have a chicken dollar shop. Let's see what they have. I only like to buy rares. Unless it's like 10 pets for $1 chicken dollar. I'll do that, but I like to buy rares. 10 chicken dollars for these? Dude. That's crazy. Common and under pets. Let's see. I have a lot of very commons. Need to get rid of some of them. $1 chicken dollar for every 7 wish list uncommon and under pets. Well, let's see what they have on their wish list. Let's see if that's in my special group. Yeah. If only it was. Let's see what this. Trading very rare for bulk rares. Okay. I like to trade up. Except for. Let's see. I would like to try to get rid of some of these ponies and horses that I have, because I have so many of them. I guess I just had too many of them on my wish list, and I just ended up with a bunch. Okay, so I really don't have much to show. I mean, I've already shown you guys everything in these past episodes. I want you guys to know that I am going to continue playing Chicken Smoothie. I'm just not making any more videos because I'm kind of running out of time. But I will definitely be on this game at least every once in a while. I'm hoping that I'll be able to participate a little bit, at least, in the summer event that's coming up. But yeah, I've just been busy packing up stuff and getting ready to move. And it's been a lot, so I just wanted to end this without leaving you guys on a random schedule where I would just post randomly and maybe go months at a time without posting anything, and then all of a sudden posting stuff. It seemed like it was going to be a little complicated. But I just wanted to thank you guys for watching these videos. It makes me happy that people actually like watching them. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching them, and if you guys would like to see more videos of I guess what I'm up to in college, I have another channel that I'll go ahead and put the link in below in the description of this one. I have another channel. It's going to kind of document my college life. So yeah, I want you guys to check that out if you would like to. I really hope that you guys do well on Chicken Smoothie. For the winners, congratulations on winning. I will send you your pets after this video is uploaded. And I will see you guys on my other channel. I will continue to post videos on this channel, but it's just going to be a little sporadic and kind of random. And it's going to be of all sorts of different things. So if you want to see more like college life videos, that's going to be on my other channel. If you want to see more random like unboxing videos or maybe some other video game videos, you can go ahead and stay on here. But thank you so much for watching.